School is a place where we learn new things, make friends, and grow every day. The words we use at school help us ask questions, share ideas, and understand each other better. These 100 sentences are things you might say or hear at school. They can help you feel more confident, speak clearly, and enjoy learning. Use them often, and remember, every day is a chance to get better. 100 school sentences. 1. Can I borrow a pencil? Can I borrow a pencil? 2. Do we have homework today? Do we have homework today? 3. What page are we on? What page are we on? 4. I forgot my notebook at home. I forgot my notebook at home. 5. Can I go to the bathroom? Can I go to the bathroom? 6. Is this going to be on the test? Is this going to be on the test? 7. I didn't understand that. Can you explain it again? I didn't understand that. Can you explain it again? 8. Can we work in groups? Can we work in groups? 9. I finished early. What should I do now? I finished early. What should I do now? 10. I wasn't here yesterday. Did I miss anything? I wasn't here yesterday. Did I miss anything? 11. Can I turn this in tomorrow instead? Can I turn this in tomorrow instead? 12. I need help with this question. I need help with this question. 13. What time does class start? What time does class start? 14. I left my textbook in my locker. I left my textbook in my locker. 15. Can I sit somewhere else today? Can I sit somewhere else today? 16th. Do we have a quiz today? Do we have a quiz today? 17. I forgot my locker combination. I forgot my locker combination. 18. Can we go outside today? Can we go outside today? 19. I didn't get the handout. Can I have one? I didn't get the handout. Can I have one? 20. Can you check my answer? Can you check my answer? 21. I think I got that one wrong. I think I got that one wrong. 22nd. Can we use calculators? Can we use calculators? 23. I need more time. I need more time. 24. I ran out of time. I ran out of time. 25. I forgot to write my name. I forgot to write my name. 26. I think I failed that test. I think I failed that test. 27. I hope I passed. I hope I passed. 28. I didn't study for this. I didn't study for this. 29. This test is so hard. This test is so hard. 30. Can we check our answers together? Can we check our answers together? 31. I'm stuck on question 5. I'm stuck on question 5. 32nd. I need help understanding this assignment. I need help understanding this assignment. 33rd. Can I redo the test? Can I redo the test? 34th. I was absent. Can I make up the work? I was absent. Can I make up the work? 35s. Can I talk to you after class? Can I talk to you after class? 36. I think there's a mistake in my grade. I think there's a mistake in my grade. 37. Can I get extra credit? Can I get extra credit? 38. I'm having trouble keeping up. I'm having trouble keeping up. 39. Thank you for explaining that. Thank you for explaining that. 40. Can I turn this in early? Can I turn this in early? 41st. Do you have any tips for the exam? Do you have any tips for the exam? 42. What class do you have next? What class do you have next? 43rd. Did you finish the homework? Did you finish the homework? 44th. Want to hang out after school? Want to hang out after school? 45. I'm so bored in this class. I'm so bored in this class. 46. Let's walk to class together. Let's walk to class together. 47. Did you hear the announcement? Did you hear the announcement? 48. You're lucky you got an A. You're lucky you got an A. 49. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? 50. I lost my ID card. I lost my ID card. 51. I need to go to the nurse. I need to go to the nurse. 52. I forgot my schedule. I forgot my schedule. 53. I have gym next period. I have gym next period. 54. I think I left my phone in class. I think I left my phone in class. 55. I need to print something. I need to print something. 56. I missed the bus. I missed the bus. 57. I have a club meeting after school. I have a club meeting after school. 58. Are you going to the school dance? Are you going to the school dance? 59. We have a field trip next week. We have a field trip next week. 60. I'm in charge of decorations. I'm in charge of decorations. 61st. Let's sign up for the talent show. Let's sign up for the talent show. 62. I'm nervous about presenting. I'm nervous about presenting. 63. We have rehearsal after school. We have rehearsal after school. 64. I'm on the yearbook committee. I'm on the yearbook committee. 65th. Let's take a group photo. Let's take a group photo. 66. I'm volunteering for the fundraiser. I'm volunteering for the fundraiser. 67. We should make posters for the event. We should make posters for the event. 68. Let's quiz each other before the test. Let's quiz each other before the test. 69. Do you want to study together after school? Do you want to study together after school? 70. I made flashcards. Want to use them. I made flashcards. Want to use them. 71. I don't get this part of the chapter. I don't get this part of the chapter. 72. Can you explain this formula? Can you explain this formula? 73. I think I finally understand it. I think I finally understand it. 74. Let's take a break for 5 minutes. Let's take a break for 5 minutes. 75. I'm so tired. I stayed up studying all night. I'm so tired. I stayed up studying all night. 76. I forgot we had a quiz today. I forgot we had a quiz today. 77. I need to catch up on this topic. I need to catch up on this topic. 78. Where are we sitting today? Where are we sitting today? 79. Can I have a bite of that? Can I have a bite of that? 80. I forgot my lunch. Do you have anything extra? I forgot my lunch. Do you have anything extra? 81st. Let's go outside for recess. Let's go outside for recess. 82. Did you hear what happened in math class? Did you hear what happened in math class? 83. I brought snacks. Want some? I brought snacks. Want some? 84. I'm so hungry, I could eat anything. I'm so hungry, I could eat anything. 85th. Let's play after we eat. Let's play after we eat. 86. I have lunch duty today. I have lunch duty today. 87. Can we trade seats? Can we trade seats? 88. I'm late, again. I'm late again. 89. Where's the assembly today? Where's the assembly today? 90. What time is dismissal? What time is dismissal? 91. I need to talk to the counselor. I need to talk to the counselor. 92. I'm feeling sick. I'm feeling sick. 93. I forgot my homework. I forgot my homework. 94. I didn't hear the instructions. I didn't hear the instructions. 95. Can I get a copy of the notes? Can I get a copy of the notes? 96. I need to charge my laptop. I need to charge my laptop. 97. My Wi-Fi isn't working. My Wi-Fi isn't working. 98. I'm presenting today. I'm presenting today. 99. I'm excited for the weekend. I'm excited for the weekend. 100. I love this class. I love this class. You did it. 100 useful school sentences. If this video helped you, like this video and subscribe to this channel. These words can help you in class, with friends, and when talking to teachers. Keep using them, and don't be afraid to speak up. Learning takes time, and every sentence you say helps you grow. Be proud of yourself, keep trying, and enjoy your school journey. You're doing great, and there's so much more ahead. Keep going. You've got this.